Why you'll never eat turkey again. While we associate turkey with being a staple food on Thanksgiving, stuffed packed with nutritious giblets, did you know they were once held at the level of kings and queens? Some may say even gods. In 300 BC, the birds were viewed by the Maya people as a vessel of the gods and honored accordingly. In fact, the birds were originally domesticated to play a part in religious rites. Turkeys are everywhere in Maya archaeology and iconography. The ancient Maya had one of the most advanced civilizations in the world, and part of their culture was a love for turkey. According to archaeologists, the bird was conceived of as a species with exceptional powers, which could be harmful to human from the nocturnal and dream space. Levitation, telepathy, inducing hallucinations, whether that be euphoric or nightmarish. These early birds were owned almost exclusively by the rich and powerful, and looked at as ancient relics comparable to the Holy Grail or the Mecca. The power of the turkey was also expressed in religious rituals. How the Maya art portrays turkeys with slit throats being used in New Year's rites. Bird sacrifices, anthropologists hypothesize, were meant to set the stage for a new fertile new year, and turkeys were seen as stand-ins and messengers of the gods. Why did the Mayans think so highly of our turkeys? What knowledge did they possess? Could turkeys be the missing link of everlasting life, power, wealth, infinite energy? Next time you see one, try to telepathically remind it of its heritage and history. I know I certainly will. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that after this video, turkeys will be shown in a different light and hopefully one day go back to the coveted status it deserves as a species.